Hi everyone, meet Pranali, one of our amazing coding teacher. She is going to share her journey with Debe Learning, her teaching experience and some memorable student stories. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and hear from her.
Pranali, let's start with your introduction and your teaching experience.
My name is Pranali Patil, and I am an engineering graduate, and I have also completed my master's in business administration.
Mm,
I have a corporate experience of 3 years, but post COVID, I got into teaching
mm,
coding to students, and I was working earlier with Whitehead Junior. I worked
okay.
with Whitehead Junior for almost 3.5 years,
Mm,
and there I taught coding to students from fourth grade to sixth grade. And
okay.
the total number of students I handled was around 35 to 40 students, out of which I had nine students which were not from India, they were international students.
Okay, that's great. So you have a quite a good experience. Yeah. So what makes teaching interesting to you?
Teaching to small kids is really very different, right? Every age group. I have since I have worked already, since I have taught the students, so I
Mm,
have worked almost with students who are in first grade or second grade, and
mm,
to the also to the students who are in 10th 11th grade also. So
okay,
every time I have taught, I have seen that every student has a different perspective about things,
exactly. Yeah.
and their perspective is really very different and very unique,
Mm,
which even we cannot think of, and that helps us to uh, I would say that we are guiding them into coding, but actually they are teaching us.
okay.
They are also teaching us in a manner. I have seen this in my 3.5 years of teaching experience. That is why I feel, and especially when you connect with the student, it really feels very good. And then when student becomes happy, he or she has completed his project properly, and when I give them good stars, and when I give them nice shout out in the class also, the happiness which I see with them is really very I feel really happy because of that.
Okay, so that's like that proud feeling that you have taught
Yes.
something and it is coming out to be like in a good output. So yeah, that really inspires you to carry on with the teaching. Like jumping ahead, so how has been your experience at Debbie Learning?
Yeah, I have joined Debe Learning last month. It's been almost 1.5 month I am with Debe Learning, and I have taken 30 to 32 classes. And
Okay.
currently, I have got three students with me, and I in between I also had some of the students, and like here in with Debe Learning, it's really very I'm very really very happy because the schedule here is really very flexible,
Okay.
and I don't have to walk on toes here.
Hmm.
Like now, I also have a kid. I have a 1.5 year kid right with me, so I have to look after him. I have to take care of him.
Hmm.
So, considering comparing with the past time where I worked with the organization, here I am able to give time to teaching. Here I am also able to create something, or if I want to say that if I want to tell something different to the kid which is not in the content, so I get time to think about it also, to create some different project for the kid. And then at the same time, I'm able to also give time to my child. And one more thing, this when I am into coding and I start teaching student, it actually also helps me, you know, to it helps me to decide, or it helps me to uh, have a sense of how my child will also be, like how I can also develop him in that, according to that way, since I am connected to technology.
Yeah, that's great. So glad to hear that. And definitely like
One
it is
one more thing I would
yes, yes,
like to
sure,
add.
sure.
With Debe Learning, it's very apart from the flexible schedule, I can see that like everybody is ready to help you. There's no such barrier over here. Anytime I can just ask something, and I'll get a quick response from there. So it really feels very good to be here.
Okay, okay. That's great, Pranali. I'm glad to hear that. So, yeah. And just one last question. Like, can you tell me a specific instance where you felt happy about a student at Debbie Learning? Like maybe he achieved something, he completed a project or something.
Yes. I have a student whose name is Filomena. She's from London, and she's currently studying in fourth grade.
Okay.
Uh, Now, the student is really very bright. She
Mm,
doesn't she hasn't had coding. She didn't have any knowledge of coding, and I started taking her classes from middle. There was a teacher change, so I started taking a class from the middle, and uh, this student is very engaging. She makes sure that she completes her homework,
okay.
and whenever in the class, instead of me giving live examples, she's the one who gives me live examples.
Okay.
So that is very nice for her, nice for me. And I was teaching her a control loops topic,
Hmm.
where we were doing nested loops.
Okay.
I gave her a homework, and I specified what code block she should use. I also
Mm,
specified what should be the desired output. But student
okay.
went out of the way, and she created her own different kind of image, different kind of output on the screen using
Mm,
nested loops. It was really a proud movement for me, and I really felt very good when she did that. Like I have achieved
okay.
something. I was able to tell her, because nested loop is very difficult for younger students to understand.
Exactly. Like you mentioned in your earlier part that every student have different perspective. So
Yes,
Philomena like came out with a different approach using examples, as you mentioned. So I believe that's the
yes,
like beauty of teaching kids and that to an early
yes,
age. Okay, great
yes.
to hear
Like
that.
she herself will take a pen and paper, and she'll start
Huh.
drawing, and then she'll show me like, this is what you are trying to tell me. Or
Yeah.
in middle itself, when I am speaking, if I'm giving any kind of feedback, she takes it
Mm.
positively. And when I'm speaking, that time itself she'll, side by side, she'll correct her codes then and there, and she'll say that, okay, this is what you were telling me.
Okay, great. So students are really enjoying time with you, I believe.
Yes,
Lovely to hear that. So, yeah, thank you so much, Pranali, for sharing your journey and your experience at Debbie Learning. It will be really helpful for all the parents out there. And yeah, thanks for
yes.
joining.